You're running a busy dental lab. You know your cases are coming in, your doctors are submitting, and your team is shipping work out the door. But do you really know what's happening beneath the surface? Which doctors are your most loyal customers? Which ones haven't submitted in months? Is your case volume growing, shrinking, or flatlining? Are you losing doctors before you even realize it? That's exactly what Portal Insights was built to answer. Portal Insights is a powerful analytics dashboard built directly into DentalRx, giving lab owners and managers a clear, data-driven view of their business performance, their doctor relationships, and where to focus their attention. Let's take a look at what you get. Open Insights from the admin sidebar. The main dashboard gives you an immediate overview of your lab's health. At the top, key metrics, total active doctors, new registrations this month, and month-over-month case growth. These aren't just numbers. They're indicators. Is your doctor network growing? Is submission volume trending up or down compared to last month? You'll know the moment you log in. The growth indicator shows you the percentage change compared to the previous complete month. So you're always comparing apples to apples, never a partial month against a full one. Scroll down and you'll find at-risk accounts. And this section might be the most valuable thing in the entire add-on. At-risk doctors are accounts that were previously active but haven't submitted a case in over 30 days. These are doctors who are slipping away, quietly, without a phone call, without a warning. Maybe they found another lab. Maybe they had a bad experience. Maybe they just forgot you were there. Portal Insights surfaces these accounts automatically, so you can act before it's too late. A quick phone call, a personal message, a check-in, that's often all it takes to bring a doctor back. You can send a personalized re-engage email with a click of a button, a gentle reminder that you're there, you value their business, and you're ready when they are. The Edit Email button lets you configure the re-engage email. Edit the subject, email body, and use convenient template fields to automatically insert the doctor's name. Next, you'll see your doctor leaderboard. This ranks every doctor in your system by case volume, who is submitting the most, and over what time period. This is your relationship map. Your top doctors are your most valuable accounts. Are you giving them the attention they deserve? Are you checking in, saying thank you, making sure they're happy? The leaderboard helps you prioritize where to invest your time. The return rate metric tells you what percentage of your doctors submitted cases in both of the last 2 complete months. This is your retention indicator, the single best measure of whether your doctor relationships are strong and consistent. A high return rate means your doctors are loyal and coming back month after month. A dropping return rate is an early warning sign that something needs attention, even if your total volume looks fine on the surface. Next, first case latency. Here's one most labs never think to measure. How long does it take a newly registered doctor to submit their very first case? Portal Insights tracks this automatically. The first case latency metric shows you the average number of days between a doctor creating their account and making their first submission. This is your onboarding health score. A short latency means doctors are getting set up quickly and finding value fast. A long latency means something is getting in the way, whether that's confusion, friction, or a doctor who registered but never got properly on board. Not all cases are created equal. Case Complexity Score covers that. Portal Insights tracks average case complexity, measured by the number of items per case, so you can see whether the work coming through the portal is simple single-item cases or complex multi-procedure submissions. You get an average, a minimum, a maximum, and a monthly trend chart. Watch it over time. If complexity is rising, your doctors are trusting the portal with more sophisticated work. If it's flat, there may be an opportunity to educate them on what they can submit. More complex cases mean more revenue per submission. Knowing where you stand is the first step to moving the number. Portal Insights tracks your remakes and adjustment rate. Every remake costs your lab time and materials. Every adjustment is a signal that something, a prescription, a communication, an expectation didn't land correctly. Portal Insights tracks your remake and adjustment rate by doctor, broken down as a percentage of total cases. The overall rate is displayed with a color indicator: green when you're in a healthy range, amber when it's climbing, red when it needs attention. See which doctors have higher rates than average. That's your opening to have a conversation, review their submission quality, or look for patterns in their cases that might be causing the issue. Data turns a reactive problem into a proactive one. This is where Portal Insights gets truly powerful for relationship management. Every registered doctor gets a scorecard, a complete health check in a single row. Total cases submitted, cases this month, message count, last login date, last submission date, and an overall engagement status. At a glance, you can see who is thriving, submitting regularly, logging in, communicating. And you can see who is slipping. A doctor who logged in 3 months ago and hasn't submitted since is a relationship that needs attention right now. This isn't just data, it's a call list, a prioritized view of where your time is best spent to protect your revenue and grow your accounts. Doctor satisfaction isn't just about the quality of your work. It's about how quickly and consistently you communicate. Message response tracking measures exactly that. Average time from when a doctor sends a message to when your team reads it. Total messages read. Unread messages currently sitting in the inbox. Fast response times build trust. A doctor who messages the lab and hears back within the hour feels taken care of. A doctor who waits 3 days is already looking at other options. This metric keeps your team accountable and gives you the visibility to act when response times start to slip. Everything in Portal Insights can be exported as a clean, professionally formatted PDF report. Case volume, growth rate, doctor activity, remake rates, at-risk accounts, scorecards, and more. Share it with a business partner. Present it to your team at a monthly review. Keep it on file to track progress over time. Data that lives only on a screen gets forgotten. A report you can share gets acted on. Portal Insights is also a powerful audit tracker. Every action taken in your portal is recorded. Who logged in, when, and from where. Every user account change. Every QB link. Every document uploaded. Every settings change. Every password reset. Every message sent. Every announcement created or deleted. The DentalRx Audit Log gives you a complete, tamper-evident record of everything that happens in your portal. Admin actions and doctor activity alike. Filter by date range, by user type, by action category, or search by name. Need to see every login attempt in the last 30 days? Done. Want to know exactly when a doctor's account was linked to QuickBooks and by whom? It's there. Concerned about unauthorized settings changes? Pull up instantly. And when you need it out of the portal, export everything to CSV with one click. Clean, time-stamped, ready for your records. For labs that take security seriously, the audit log isn't just a feature. It's your peace of mind. Portal Insights is not a nice-to-have. For any lab serious about growth, retention, and operational excellence, it is the single most powerful tool in the DentalRx platform. First case latency, complexity trends, remake rates, adoption scorecards, at-risk accounts, peak submission windows, message response times, doctor leaderboard, return rate. All of it in one dashboard, updated in real time. The labs that grow aren't the ones working the hardest. They're the ones who understand their business the deepest. Portal Insights gives you that understanding. Contact Mainstreet Systems today to add Portal Insights to your DentalRx subscription. Visit www.mainstreetsystems.net or call 215-256-4535.